guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this Mi 10i, and so we are going to unbox this phone. This is the 6 plus 128GB variant. So guys, let's begin. So as you guys can see, this is the Mi 10i, and running back we get to see the Mi 10i and 108 megapixel rear camera with EIS. No OIS here is not available, and you get to see the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor in this. And the display you get here is the HDR10 display, 120Hz adaptive sync display, which is 6.67 inch, and you get to see the 4820 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charger in the box. And this is the Atlantic Blue variant I have, and you get to see the Made in India here logo. So we'll just unbox it. I had already unboxed. As you can see, the seal has been cut, so let's just unbox it. And first, as you guys can see here, the designed by Xiaomi. And keeping this aside, we get to see the phone here. Let's just remove it. This is the blue Atlantic Blue variant I have. Let's just keep it aside and let's see what else we get in this. Get to see the SIM ejector pin and a clear case. Here nothing else we get in this box. And moving forward, here we get to see the 33 watt fast charger, the same which we get in the Note 9 Pro and Note 10 series, also the newly launched, with these orange accents. And this is the type C cable, micro USB to type C cable. So these are the box contents we get. And so yes, let's just keep this aside. And so first of all, let's just remove this wrap here. And so yeah, this is looking cool and premium, guys. Okay, so this is the phone. This is the 108 megapixel camera here, and this is the flashlight. This is the Mi logo, and you get to see the 5G branding. So yes, this is the phone, and let's just boot this up. So yeah, we get to see the Mi logo here. By the time it boots up, I'll just show you the hardware overview. On the bottom we get to see type C port, and we get to see the headphone jack and a speaker grill. On left side we get to see this is the SIM tray. On the right we get to see the power button fingerprint which is inbuilt it, and these are the volume buttons. The volume buttons just looks great currently. And on the top we get to see the IR blaster and the secondary microphone. We get to see the stereo speakers in this, so the earpiece doubles up as a speaker, secondary speaker also. So yeah, this is just these great specification. Okay, so guys, now after the phone has booted, you will be able to see these bloatwares. As there is a lot of bloatware available. Overall the phone is looking snappier. And talking about the display, as you can see here, this is the punch hole display. This is the full HD plus LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate. Yes, you get to see the high refresh rate display here. This is the 16 megapixel in display camera you get, like the punch hole cam here you are getting. Like this is the Mi 10i running on MIUI 12. This is the latest I have updated after unboxing it, the MIUI 12.0.6 version. The update was available as soon as I had started the phone, and as you can see, we get to see the 17.9GB out of 128GB, and which is still running on Android 10. The Android 11 update will be available soon, so yeah, we'll be just take a look at it when it is available. But currently here it is running on Android 10. Then this is just the settings. This is the MIUI, the system launcher with this app drawer available here. And this is the dialer app. You get to see the Android dialer app, the Google dialer app, not the Xiaomi one. Messaging app here is also from the Google, not the Xiaomi. Then talking about the cameras here. Here are the cameras you get here. The main lens here is the 108 megapixel Samsung sensor. Then this is the ultra wide angle lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and these are just the two gimmicks, the 2 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel macro lens, which are just useless in most of the cases, because in real life scenarios no one use macro lens. Then talking about the speakers here, we get to see the stereo speakers here. I'll just show you how it works. So yes guys, speakers are definitely loud. So yeah, I am very impressed with the speakers, and this is the 120 Hz display here, which is fluid enough. The MIUI 12.5 will be available soon, so we will be waiting for that, which is noticeably lighter and weight. And as you can see, currently the RAM management here, the how much RAM here is available, 3.2 GB RAM is available out of 6 GB. So yeah, the RAM management here is also pretty recent. Like, you know, the MIUI is always sluggish and laggish. MIUI is just not so good. These are all just the same MIUI features available. And talking about the build quality here, we get to see the glass back here. This is the Gorilla Glass 5 on the both front and the back. This is the glass, and the frame here is plastic frame. And talking about the fingerprint scanner, this is the side mounted fingerprint scanner, which is embedded in the power button, and it is noticeably faster, like no lags. As you can see, I am using the Poco X2, and after switching to this, the fingerprint scanner here is working just great. As you can see, these animations are also just looking great. So yeah, overall on the first impressions, the phone here is just looking awesome, man. And this has the Snapdragon 750G processor, so no worries with that too. As you get to see the glass back here, as you can see, this is the gradient finish, and the fingerprint here just takes a lot. You have to wipe it a lot if you use it without the case. Guys, then talking about the battery life here, you get to see the 4820 mAh of battery available here. You can see 4820 mAh, and currently we are having 41% battery life. And I'll show you the battery usage stats. This was around 48%, and it has been half an hour, and it drained 7% of battery. So yeah, the battery life should be average enough. At least 6 hours of screen on time we should get, as this has the adaptive display here, which is just great. Talking about the haptics of this phone, then you can see the Z-axis motor available here, and there are the vibration here just occurs with the ringtone. So there are so many vibration patterns available in the sounds and vibration. This is the option available, haptic feedback level, which is a great option, as you can see, and the vibration just feels great. And you get to see, yes, the dynamic options available here. So yeah, this was it for the phone. This was the Mi 10i 5G 6GB 128GB. I got this for 22,000. So yeah, that was it. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.